Alright, just a quick update on what I've learned so far by using the Kenwood NX5700. Terminology is a little different from what we may be used to, but the features are obviously the same. So right now I'm in Group 1. On these radios here, it's called Zone 1. You can see that. And the change of zones, I'm going to go here. So VHF backup, IA, Pro, so on and so forth. This does have a command group. You would get to that by going down one more. And even though it looks the same, I'm looking at the T here, which is for the TAC group. Kenwood is calling the TAC group the command zone. So right now I'm in the command zone or the TAC group. And I've already got those loaded in here. So I'll go back to here. If I want to add more, if I want to switch channels, I can either dial over here, or I can take this and go left and right here. It does the exact same thing. If I need to change tones, so if I'm on a command channel, so right now I'm on tone 1. If I need to change that, I'm going to go up and down here like that. So that's how to change tones, up and down, change channels left and right here, or with this here. And then this changes which zone or group that we're in, including getting to the TAC group or the command group. Some other things that I've got here, the O here is indicating that I'm in a operator selectable tone. So you see that goes off there. That tells you got a tone on. The NR is for noise reduction. I don't think that's doing anything. This is telling me, I believe, about that I'm scanning. I'll show you that, and that this is the channel in my scan group. That just means it's analog. We're going to see it all the time, and we're going to see that in high power all the time. No big deal. Okay, so scan are these two buttons here. I'm currently scanning. I turn it off here. Nope, I turned it on there. And now I'm scanning because I see the red circle there. If I want to change the channels in my scan group, I turn the scan off, and then I hit the 2-dot button, so that's a scan channel. And then when the 2 double chevrons go away, that's not scanning anymore. So I want to scan that, and I turn that on. However, a little bit of a change when I'm in my TAC or my command group, which I am right now. This isn't doing anything. But when I turn my scan on, it's going to scan all the channels in my TAC group, command group, all at once. So really, when you load all your channels into that group, which I'm in now, you're going to scan all those. Turn scan off. I've got a couple other things here. Okay, so if I want to delete or add or delete a channel to my TAC group, I'm going to do that with the lower TAC button right here. So right now I'm in my TAC group. If I don't want TAC 11 there, I hit it once and it goes away. Likewise, if I'm in this one here and I want to add it back, I hit TAC and you'll briefly see the T show up. It goes away, and that's indicated that now I've got it in my TAC group there. Other buttons over here, they're slightly different from what we saw in the PowerPoint. The squelch is in the A button. You hit this, and you change the squelch by going up and down. The PowerPoint shows that different. It says a C button, it says left and right. So A and up and down is going to change the squelch level, and then you hit OK. C doesn't do anything, and then B takes you back to like a default, which is zone 2 for IA. Direct, it's basically going into direct mode if I'm on a command group. I really don't see a lot of use for that, and then the monitor is self-explanatory. The menu is pretty much useless. It's just a couple functions on the display as far as the colors. It doesn't do a whole lot for you. That's very useful. And home goes back to, it looks like in this case it went back to zone 1, which is weird because that goes to zone 2. So that's it in a nutshell. And of course, I think you know, in the rigs, you've got to use the mic here. The rig mounted push to talk keys it up. You can see the transmit button there, but it doesn't pick it up from either microphone, so you have to use a handheld. That's it for now. Super quick video. Talk to you soon.